So from our example, we'll see that Kelly has purchased the beach home, and she funded her purchase using a personal loan and that her parents provided for the business for the purchase of the beach house. So we'll take that liability that the business has to pay back that loan to her parents is actually a liability, and hence it will be shown in the accounting equation as a liability payable to her parents. There are other examples of the liabilities, just standard examples. We'll go back and take a look at those now. So you will mostly see accounts payable within your balance sheet as well, within your ledgers, and they actually involves debts which you owe to your suppliers for probably the goods you purchased or the service you received. For example, you might see the agency fees coming in and not paid instantly, but you might be paying it a month later. So for that month, it will sit in your accounts payable. You'll see your accountant's fee coming in or any other professional fees that are payable. You might hire some staff on site to help and clean the building or the rooms on a regular basis. So they will, if they're employed, they become your wage bills and they're part of your liabilities. But if you have employed them as self-employed or through an agency, then the agency will be invoicing them, invoicing yourself for the service they provided, and hence they will sit in your accounts payable. Sometimes you also see some of the accrued expenses in there. For example, if you have a bank interest payable, but you paid them quarterly, but you are doing your accounts on a monthly basis, it means you will have an accrual which isn't paid yet. So your accrued expenses are where the expense has not been paid, but actually in principle they've been incurred during that period of time. So you will have those presented, and then we will take another look at the accrued expenses later on just to explain the concept a bit further. But for now, you can take anything that the business owes to the people outside the business is called are falling within the liabilities, unless they're part of the business owner's investment or business owner's funding within the business as such.